Oh yeah, you live in UK?
Yes.
That's really nice country. Especially I like that.
Yes. I'm actually in Scotland.
Okay. So, are you English teacher?
I have a master's in education. I do teach on Cambly, but mostly it's just conversation. I do need to let you know that I had a student accidentally disconnect. She does have a reservation, so if she calls back in, I have to take her call. But we can talk until then.
Oh yeah. So
Okay?
I am a student. I'm a student National University in Bangladesh. So
Oh, okay. Yes, I have several students in Bangladesh actually.
yeah, especially I like UK person. UK.
I'm from the U.S., so I mean I have an
Oh,
American accent. I
sorry,
don't.
sorry, sorry. Are you
Yeah.
are you lives in US?
No, I am from Texas, but I'm living in Scotland in the UK.
Oh yes, I. Oh yeah. Okay, so
Yeah, I grew up in the UK.
I have a sister who lives in US and
Oh, okay.
city Iowa.
In Iowa? Yeah,
Yeah.
I used to live in Iowa.
Oh,
I
you.
grew up in Texas, but I lived in Iowa for 5 years.
Oh, I. So, are you married?
No, my husband passed away about 2.5 years ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
I
I'm
lost him about 2.5 years
I'm
ago.
very sorry to hear you.
Thank you. It it was very sudden. It was not something that either one of us knew uh, that he had heart issues. It just was one of those things, and it was actually better for him because he was very active, and he would not have dealt well with having to slow down and recuperate. So
Uh,
as bad as it was for me, it was
okay.
probably best for him.
Oh,
But
okay.
yeah, no,
Okay, so you are like to my mother, so don't worry, please, because uh, man cannot live all life.
no, yeah. I was sad, and I miss him, but he would want me to live my life and keep going and be happy, which is what I'm doing. Part of the reason I moved to the UK was so I could travel and see a bit of Europe and a bit of the world. So that is my plan. As soon as the coronavirus is under control,
Yes, yes.
I'm gonna travel.
So
So
especially I invited you. You will come in my country and visit our
most
country,
definitely,
special and huge historical place. And especially I invited you. You visit my house.
maybe so. I don't know.
Uh,
I haven't decided where I'm gonna go yet, but
yeah,
I do know I want to travel.
yes, COVID-19 is a very dangerous and rapidly spread in my Bangladesh, and more people are affected in COVID-19. So every single day, and 35 people are already dead in Bangladesh.
Yeah, there's in the whole of UK. So all over the total number of deaths for the UK is 41,000.
Yes.
So it's been pretty bad here.
So
But it's getting better.
I am using Cambly apps and I have no more money and I cannot buy a Cambly minutes because I am a student. I have no manage more money, so I cannot buy it. I am using free minutes, so I especially message you. How can I contact with you? Social media and WhatsApp and Facebook.
I can't. Cambly does not allow us to have contact outside of the app. I could get
Oh.
in trouble, and I really don't want to.
Okay,
I don't
so
want to get in trouble.
what is your name and can I try
My name,
it? Can I try it? Facebook. Uh,
no, I can't give you my contact information outside of the app. I will get in trouble
oh,
with Cambly. I can't do that. It's against Cambly policy. I'm
oh
sorry.
yes, Okay, no problem. So, Earth is around, so we will talk, see.
Okay, we can talk again. Hopefully, we will be able to have another subscription in the future.
Yes.
But unfortunately, I can't make contact
Okay,
outside of
okay, no, no
the
problem,
app.
no problem. Really, I am very happy to contact you, too, and I am very happy. I am
Your
very.
English is very good. Your English is very good. You
No,
just
no,
need
no, no. I
practice.
am a student. I am a student. My department of Bengali language. I cannot speak English clearly. Just trying.
You, I have understood everything you've said, so you just need to practice.
Yes,
The one thing, the
I
one
have
thing I
a,
tell,
I have a friend who lives in US, and she is native. Every day I contact with her and communicate, just acquire my knowledge in this.
the one thing you need to remember is to always make sure there's space between the English words. Okay,
Okay.
don't run them all together. If you make sure that there's space between each word, then you pronounce it clearly
Yeah.
and
Yes.
you don't
It.
rush. You don't cram it together. And when you get the words too close together is when it's hard to understand or
Oh,
when you
okay.
talk too fast.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yes, I understood. So, your pronunciation and my pronunciation is very different.
Well, yes, and it's going
And
to be
your
because
pronunciation
English
is
is not your native language.
your pronunciation is absolutely correct. So my pronunciation is wrong. So
No,
uh,
your pronunciation is just different. I
yeah,
understand what you're saying,
yeah.
okay? And you're not going to
I
pronounce it just like I do because your native language is not English, okay? And
okay.
English is a second language.
Yes.
And that's okay. That's okay. As long as you pronounce it clearly, it doesn't matter if you have an accent, okay? And you pronounce the words clearly. You just got to make sure you put space between the words and don't rush. When you rush and you go too fast, that's when it's difficult to understand.
Yeah.
Okay? Make sure that you keep space between
Yes.
each word. All right? And that will help you be a whole lot easier to understand. I don't have any trouble understanding you. Your pronunciation is good.
Ye-
You just need practice to expand your
Yes.
vocabulary.
Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm. You're welcome.
Um,
You just, like I said, you got to put space between the words and don't rush. Don't cram it all together.
I will try. As I will try.
Okay. But you're pronouncing very well, so I think you're doing really good.
Okay.
You just need
So
practice.
I have a dreams. I will settle in US. It is my dreams. I don't know how can
The U.S.
I
could be a good
I
place.
I
It could be a
don't
very good place.
I don't know how can it possible. So maybe I will settle in US.
Well, you just need to find a job over there, job hunt, and get your friends and your family to help you.
The sister, my sister who lives in US, she sent for me visa. Then I will settle in US.
Yeah, you should
Okay.
be able to easily once you finish school, you should be able to get a job relatively easy, depending on what your degree is. So
Okay.
as long as you have a way over there and a place to stay, you should be good.
Also, cambly minutes is finished.
Yeah, it's about over. We got about 30
So
seconds.
I'm really very happy to contact with you and hear you. So yeah, God bless you. I will pray for you and must
Thank
be
you.
must be success in your future. And you believe me, I will pray for you.
Thank you. I will pray for you.
And
Thank you. You have a great-
I will contact with you in future call.
Hopefully so. Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye.